Welcome back to another episode of the Crypto Serpent. If you do enjoy the videos, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. Important updates. There has been some updates that have occurred in regards to the case. We need to talk about it, what has been going on, what has been happening in the Xrp world, and more importantly, what does it mean for you and I, because the social media channels have gone crazy. Some people are saying March 2023, others are saying December 2022. It is pandemonium out there at the moment, but let's break it down and also my thoughts about where we are heading. Now, we do kick off with, XRP is forming an important pattern and it is showing signs that it is about to break out, regardless of what is going out there in the marketplace at the moment. From a technical perspective, not people's thoughts, it is looking really good from here. Like it's at a great point to begin its uptrend. Regardless of what people are saying. Regardless. Throw it all out of the book. Technicals, fundamentals, it's looking juicy. However, let's talk about what has been going on out there in the marketplace. Now, XRP whales enter buying spree, making a breakout to $1 inevitable. Remember, do as they do, not as they say. So while the media is going on talking about March and December and all this, right? Calm. Look at what they're doing. The whales are buying. The whales are buying. That's what matters to us. I don't care what they put on the news. Because this could be one of the biggest FUDs yet. As all this news is coming out about, the case being delayed, we could be seeing the complete opposite occur. In terms of case settles a lot quicker than everybody expects. Price starts to jump. Everything starts to move way quicker than the narrative that they're trying to sell you. Remember, we're serpents. We don't look at the media. We look at the facts. And the fact is that whales are buying. But I believe we are ready to get back up and continue to push forward for 2022. It's been a pretty sad start to the year, right? In the world of crypto, right? It hasn't gone in the way that, any of us had hoped. Now, the World Economic Forum named XRP as the crypto asset most relevant in central bank digital currency space in September 2020. Like, that's how good what we hold is. And like I said, I want you to try to get away from what the media is trying to sell you. Because what this is, and what they're saying it is, and how long they're saying this could drag out, could be wrong. It could be just a narrative that they're trying to sell people on. Now, one of the big news to come out in the last 24 hours is this. To all that have been following the case thus far, Ripple is pushing hard, and the court is working hard too to resolve the case as soon as possible, despite the SEC time and again trying to do everything they can to delay. Now, XRP community parties have filed joint scheduled letter proposing opening briefs for summary judgment and expert challenges in August, and closing briefs a few days before Christmas. Now, this doesn't mean that we're going all the way till Christmas. Just be mindful. Because remember how far ahead Ripple is in this case versus the SEC. And the SEC doesn't want to run the risk of losing completely. It would be insane. My thoughts? A May, June, July settlement is well and truly still on the cards. Well and truly still on the cards. I am not buying into this. Now, XRP captain, he goes, look, so we need to get ready for a second Ripple versus SEC anniversary, but price of XRP will hit $10 to $13 in May or June. In fact, I do believe that the case will end in May, June, July. The chart shows that monster breakout. This could be the biggest FUD news and the final shakeout. And I agree. To the point where, like it is, and I'm going to actually write it on here right now. I agree. I completely agree with what he's saying. Like, that, what he's saying, I think that's going to happen. Like, I do believe that is going to happen. Like, it's crazy. Like, I do believe that it's going to happen because it just doesn't make sense what is going on. Now, listen to this. This is Bill Winters, CEO of Standard Chartered and Ripple partner, talks about how XRP going to bridge CBDC's currencies. Listen to this.
You know, we have countries like Switzerland and China all testing out the digital currencies. How are you gearing up for the disruption of money with central bank digital currencies? How will it change the way you and other banks operate in future?
Probably fundamentally. While we're not formally involved, no foreign banks are involved in the Chinese ECNY. I think we're as close to that as we can be to understand how that digital currency can be used for cross-border trade. Going back 5 years, we had digital currency underpinned trade finance and money settlement systems, and using as a medium of exchange, using things like Ripple's XRP, for example, as a medium to affect real-time cross-border payments.
You know, we have countries like Switzerland
See,
and
like,
China all testing out the...
It's going to be XRP to bridge all the CBDCs. Patience, everybody. Patience. Don't make silly mistakes right now. Because it's easy to get frustrated and flustered and to make quick judgments. It's going to be till May, or it's going to be till December this year. I'm out. Be careful. It's not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. At the end of the day, it's your portfolio. You're in charge of it. You do what you need to do. I completely understand and support you if you do. However, be careful. Because like I said, I'm not buying this news. I'm just not buying it. Don't agree with it. Don't get it. Don't understand it. Don't want to understand it because I believe it's BS. Again, it's one person's opinion. And I'm entitled to it. Look at this. Look at it. Look where we're at. Like, with or without the SEC, this is breaking out. Just want to make it very clear to you. With or without the SEC, it's going to break out. Of course, once the SEC settlement comes along, the settlement will win, legal clarity is going to go to, extreme new highs. But let me tell you, it's never been a better time. The super trend buy signal is signaling at 59 cents. Now, I don't believe that we're going to get to that. Like, I don't believe that we're going to get to 59 cents. Now, we're so close. So close to a breakout. Now, isn't it fascinating that this news came out just before this? I find it convenient. Convenient from their point of view. Now, personally, I don't think anybody's ready for what the price action is going to do. I really don't. I don't believe people are ready for what the price action will do. What I can tell you is that from here, we probably will jump back up into the 82s, settle around 77, and then continue to push forward. But a break is coming, with or without the SEC case. But what I mainly wanted to get to you today is to be very, very mindful, to try and perhaps not take too much into this whole delay or extension or things going out, because I do believe a break is coming. I believe the break will be significant. I also believe that the case will settle way before December, November, or March 2023 that they're talking about at the moment. It's going to catch everyone out by surprise, and that's exactly what they want. Again, it's one person's opinion. It's not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. However, if you did learn something new today, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. As always, thank you, and I look forward to see you on the next one.